Hey guys, welcome back to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine. Today we're sharing a crispy, golden, and incredibly delicious chicken cube fry recipe that's crispy on the outside, soft and juicy on the inside, and topped with rich tomato ketchup for a perfect restaurant-style taste. This quick and easy recipe is made with simple ingredients and is perfect for lunch, dinner, tea time snacks, or family gatherings. Once you try it, everyone will ask for more. So gather your ingredients and let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the chicken. First of all, take 500 grams of boneless chicken. Wash it thoroughly and cut it into bite-sized cube shapes. Transfer the chicken cubes to a large mixing bowl. Now add the following spices: 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, and 1 teaspoon paprika, optional, for extra color. Now add 1/2 cup yogurt and 2 tablespoons freshly chopped coriander leaves to the seasoned chicken. Using your hands, mix everything thoroughly until each chicken cube is well coated with the spices, yogurt, and fresh herbs. Once the chicken is evenly mixed, cover the bowl and marinate it for 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to penetrate the chicken, making it tender, juicy, and full of delicious restaurant-style taste. Now heat enough cooking oil in a deep frying pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the marinated chicken cubes one by one. Avoid overcrowding the pan so the chicken cooks evenly and becomes extra crispy. Fry the chicken for 6 to 8 minutes, turning occasionally until it is golden brown and crispy on the outside while remaining soft and juicy on the inside. Remove the fried chicken cubes and place them on a paper towel to drain any excess oil. Finally, arrange them on a serving plate. Drizzle tomato ketchup over the top or serve with your favorite dipping sauce. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and enjoy this crispy, delicious, restaurant-style chicken cube fry with fries, naan, or a fresh salad. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine for more easy and tasty recipes.